How to access recent file on your phone. Downloaded a file, but where did it go? Don't worry, we are about to find your recent file in second. Most Android phone come with one of these File by Google or My File. Tap to open. Right at the top, you will see recent files. Tap it and boom, everything you touched lately, screenshots, downloads, WhatsApp media or PDFs. No more dragging through folders like a digital archaeologist. And that's it. Your files aren't lost, just hiding in recent. Now you are the Sherlock Holmes of Android. Like if they saved you from panicking, questions, drop them below. Subscribe for more Android tricks and tips. Catch you in the next time.